Right now it's just riding south. I like this bridge. I like coming over it and seeing this horizon, I guess you could say, yeah. Now we just two bald-headed black guys riding around. I'm just trying to find somewhere to take some pictures, and you know, coming down this road, if you got something loose, you will find it on this road. Look at this pothole, bro. I'm not gonna hit that. I'm trying to get over there. I wonder, can I go in there? They probably gonna be like, hell no, get your ass out
to the wild.
I'm gonna ask this gate guard if I can take a picture or some pictures real quick and see what he says.
We don't see him again.
We don't see me again, I'm out. Take care of my car. Who that stop? So I'm gonna get a picture with the car like right up in here. Let's see if we, he says okay, so I'm gonna get a picture. Alright, we just saw some people roll down there, so we're gonna go down there and see if we can get some photos down there. If not, oh shit, if not, then we'll just leave from this part. But let's go see.
Everything.
Go ahead, James Bonnet.
The only thing you'll see.
I believe in you. I think you can do it.
No, we can't do it.
Like, I know you can do it. If I were you, I would try it.
What are friends for?
I mean, you get the water. I mean, you got the water to say you can swim, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, you good. Let's go.
Yeah, it's okay.
If you fall in, just climb back up on that rope right there.
The same one
right there.
The same rope that tossed me in.
If Jackie Chan can do it, I know you can do it. I don't know what that eerie ass sound is. I think it's probably just the ship moves from side to side and shit on there. But I think that's a nice pick there, mate. We're gonna go and keep hunting for different spots to go to. So, man, this is the day in the life of me, bro. Like, I'll get up and go in a minute. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole day of what I've done, and we'll go from there. Tonight it's customs night. Look, see that? So we came down here to this mall, and we was at Family Mart getting something to drink. I get reached to put my wallet back in my pocket, and some reason I feel my ass. I'm like, why do I feel my ass when I put my wallet back in my pocket? Look at that. Look at that. And guess who saw it and didn't tell me? No, tiptoe your ass back over here. This one. I'm like, why do I feel? He's like, I thought you knew. How did I know that? No way. Bro, some bullshit. Can I go in here? Uh-oh. You see how I gotta walk around here? You see me holding my ass? I'm holding my ass while walking around here. I need the shorts, the sail shorts.
Black ones, white ones.
Can't believe you. What these? What these are? It says $19.99. What you doing here, babe? See how I gotta walk around the store? Cause if I don't, you see that? See that whole, oh my God. I don't even want this little kid to see that. It's like censored. I need to have like the censored mark so I can put over this so the kids can't see it. What? Stop looking, Harris. Turning this way. Turning this way. Pay for my stuff like this. I had an accident. Like my pants. I don't know how. You're supposed to. What is that? Oh, I can't. A SVX. SVX. Super wannabe. Sorry, Supers. Look like it. Got AC though. That guy got AC. Boy got that 18 church van up in here, boy. With the white walls and everything. Gangsta white walls. Antenna in the back. Brothers. Police here too, but we're about to go and head over to American Village. Yeah, y'all go ahead and get the police out of the way. Somebody be a decoy. Thank you guys for sacrificing yourself. Look at this one, he's scared. I mean, leave him alone, but damn, yeah, go behind somebody. Just leave him over here. Okay. We are about to head to customs tonight. We about to roll in there. Let me turn my light on so you can see me, boy. Trying to say I'm black? I am black, but I ain't that black. I ain't like Robert Black, like Stage and Entertainer Black or some shit, but I'm black, cuz, you know what I'm saying? I ain't Wesley Snipes black. I'm just regular black, you know what I'm saying? Denzel. I'm like that Denzel Black, you know what I'm saying? But we about to head to customs tonight. You know, oh my God, if I hear so many people say, oh my, you just like Tyrese on Fast and Furious, I'm like, man, fuck you, motherfucker, God damn it. It's whatever. Tyrese, I guess you can be like me. Oh, it's hot. Go ahead, drive it. Take for a spin. I just trying to do it. Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you. Well, we made it to customs night, and I'm hot. I need a towel. I really need a towel. It happened. Konbanwa. It's okay. I remember. Kuruma wa?
Yeah.
Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Okay. はじめまして、ニスモです。
石原です。石原。
石原。
よろしくね。キューナ。
キューナ。
キューナ。
Yeah.
石原、キューナ、イスキ。There's a lot of cars out here. いっぱい。A lot of people out. A lot of cars.
Yeah.
People.
Where's your car at? Oh, there we go. There go Knight Rider.
That's it.
Who did your taillights?
Oh, it's a guy in.
My next big move. We gotta go this one.
All right.
Wait.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
It's going.
There's a lot of people out tonight.
Yeah, there is. More than I expected.
Whole lot of them.
I like this green S15.
Yeah, that's Kenneth Syker. That's Bill's son's car.
Who, Bill?
Bill?
Yeah. Really?
That's his son's car.
I didn't know that.
Yep. Yeah. It's a big Country Labs wing. You can see it on the side.
Still got work to do on the inside.
Oh.
Nice though.
Yes, nice. No.
Not even
Oh
true.
God, they got the wing. That Bill side. 3.
Thinking about getting a 34.
What's up, dude?
Hello.
Like a turnout, man.
It is a lot.
Crazy.
It's a lot of people. A lot of cars and people.
Yeah.
So I got 86s, you got Zs, you got GC8s, you got 300Zs. Oh shit, that look good.
My umbrella's hiding. And I could change it. And make it thick. 0 gauge. Yeah, I ain't messing around.
Oh, I got insurance.
My JCI, it's for. No, I got
Oh.
my JCI right here.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Yeah, let me get it. Get out the car. Come on.
It's black.
You're done.
It's black.
Get done. Give me the keys.
No.
All right, let me get out of here for you. I'll holler at you. Crazy. His seat sound good though.
Yeah. That sounds real good. The good part about it is,
Oh my God. Stop for you. Was that how you say hello to each other?
I guess.
I guess.
Quiet.
How's it going?
I put a short ram intake on it and it sounds like I got a blow off valve on it.
Damn. Hey, I can't wait to get my Sonny out.
You got Sonny?
Yep.
Added to it.
That gotta be put on there. After that's done, then I'm gonna try the shit out of it.
You know, Kyle said.
E9.
Nismo cut.
Sick guy.
Hey, what's up, Nismo?
How's it
That was
going?
Nismo.
Sick good. Huh?
That chocolate skin looks.
Arigato.
Hey, where's the Skyline?
That shit sounds good. That sounds good, bro.
He in the 0-degree climate right now.
Oh, he got a system for that, bro.
Hello guys.
What up?
How's it going?
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, that's why I'm breaking out. All right, man, I'll holler at you.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah.
Safe out there.
Send it.
What you got? What you? It's lit. Nice. Ina. Hello. He got his flag and everything. Ina. Oh, we even got Porsches out. My God. Hello, sir.
Good evening, brother.
How are you?
Hanging in there.
What's going on?
I yelled at you when you drove by, but you couldn't hear me.
Man, I couldn't hear anything in here. Probably a lot of people yelled at me. Yeah, I couldn't hear nothing in there. All right, damn, fucking Transformer, bro. Optimus Prime maximize. E-man. Don't hit me, please. Woo. Robin, you out here? Oh, you too. Hello, hello. How are you guys doing? How are you doing? Oh, the man. Damn, he's gonna take my spot. I'm trying to get right there. He's gonna take my spot.